How to send a friend request on Facebook. Please like this video and subscribe. It does help the channel. Once you log on to Facebook, click on the friends option. On the left side, you will see a list of suggested friends, but if you have someone else in mind, enter the name in the search bar. I'm entering a name and it will search for that name. Okay, this looks like my friend. I'll hover over his name and the add option appears. Once I click on add a friend, it will change to a cancel request. If you learn that you've made a mistake, this is where you would cancel the request. Just to the right of cancel the request is an opportunity to send a message via Messenger. If you wish to send a message. Now, if you wanted to, you could click on his name and go to his wall and verify that this is the person that I want to connect with. Okay, so the next time he logs on to Facebook, he will find his friend request. If he accepts a request, you will be friends. That is how you send a friend request. I hope you like and subscribe.